Alright, so this is the unboxing video of the Kin 2 by Microsoft. The Kin 2M, actually. Which is the now brought back as a feature phone without a data plan version of the original. Alright, so here's the box. Pretty fancy looking. Kin 2M. 2M carbon 8 gigabytes. Pretty crazy. Got nice Kin engraved in the lid there. And they're showing up Apple with this packaging here. Pull off the elastic band. There we go. Oh. There's the device itself. Obviously, put that off to the side for now. Battery. This changes things. So, pull that off. Got some manuals, quick start guide, product safety. Talking about what's great about it, congratulations, all that good stuff. Got a stereo headset, micro USB cable, wall adapter. Alright, this is just a little quick look at the device here. We've got Kin on the back. Feels pretty solid. Slider's got a little wobble in it. No big deal. There's a nice clear, double shot effect to this plastic. Kind of interesting looking. Some good clicky keys. I'll go more into depth with this with my full Kin 2M from Verizon review later. Thanks for watching.